In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your American Express application status. Whether you've recently applied for a new card or you're just eager to know the decision about your application, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the American Express website efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the American Express Status Check Authentication page. To make this process as seamless as possible, ensure that you have stable internet connectivity. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the American Express website specified for checking application statuses. It's often easiest to type American Express application status check into your search bar, and you'll see the official link in the search results. Once you've landed on the authentication page, you'll need to have some personal details handy, starting with your social security number. This is a crucial step since the website uses this information to locate and verify your application details securely. Rest assured, American Express takes the security and privacy of your personal data very seriously. So when prompted, carefully enter your social security number in the designated field. Double check to ensure you've typed all digits correctly to avoid any errors or delays in pulling up your information. Next up is entering your home zip code. The zip code serves as an additional data point to accurately identify your application, especially if there are multiple applications linked to your social security number. Type your zip code into the appropriate field on the authentication page. Remember, this is the zip code you used during your credit card application, so be sure it matches exactly. After you've input both your social security number and your home zip code, you'll find a button labeled Check Application. Now, go ahead and click on this button. Clicking this button submits your information to American Express, allowing them to retrieve the current status of your credit card application. The interface is designed to process this information swiftly, so it shouldn't take long before you see an update on your screen. At this point, you'll receive a confirmation of your application status, whether it's approved, denied, or still under review. If your application is approved, you might also find some details about the next steps or when you can expect your card to be delivered. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, American Express typically offers customer service contact options through this portal to address any lingering queries you might have. And there you have it. Checking the status of your American Express application is straightforward and uncomplicated. Always remember to keep your personal details private and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and guides. Until next time.